Good morning, everyone. Today you're going to learn about count and non-count nouns. But first, what is a noun? I like apples. This is a sentence. I like apples. What type of word is like? What is like in this sentence? Correct. Like is a verb. What about apples? What type of word is apples? Apples is a noun. So a noun is things like apple, table, um, a door, a car. They are all nouns. Now some nouns, like apples, we can count. We can say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. We can count the nouns, some of them. For example, count the apples in this picture. How many apples do you see? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. So there are 6 apples. Apples I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can count. So count nouns, they have 2 forms. One is singular form. We say a banana. We use a. A banana means 1. And many bananas is the plural form. We use s. Bananas. A banana, singular. Bananas, s. Plural. We say plural s. Or for apple, we say an apple because we have a here at the beginning. So we don't say a apple, a, no good. We say an apple. Singular form, an apple. Plural, many apples, we use s. Apples. So what's on the table? There is an apple on the table. 1 apple, an apple. I can count. I use is because it's 1. There is an apple on the table. What's on the table now? Now you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 apples on the table. So many apples, 6 apples, S. And we use R because it's plural, plural S. Now, some nouns you can't count. For example, sugar. This is sugar. I can't say 1 sugar, 2 sugars, 3 sugars. No. I can't count sugar. I say some sugar. tea. I can't count tea. I can't say one tea, two teas, three teas. No, I say some tea. Now, what's on the table? There is some cheese on the table. So cheese, we can't count. We don't have one cheese, two cheeses, three cheeses. No, some cheese. And the verb is always singular, is. Now you write your answers. What's on the table? There are bananas on the table. Write your answers in your notebooks. What's on the table? What's on the table? What's on the table? What's on the table? So we have two kinds of nouns, count nouns, non-count nouns. Count nouns, I can count. I can say a banana or 6 bananas. I can say a carrot, 1 carrot, or 10 carrots. I can say an egg or 7 eggs. But some nouns I can't count. So orange juice or water. I can't say a water, 2 waters, 3 waters. No, I can say some water, some orange juice. Now help me move the pictures under the correct column. So bread, is it countable or uncountable? It's uncountable. So I say some bread. What about candies? I can say 1 candy, 2 candies, 3 candies. So it's a count noun, candies. What about butter? Can I say 1 butter, 2 butters, 3 butters? No, I can say some butter. About cookies? I can say 1 cookie, 2 cookies, 3 cookies. I can count. Okay, now this is the lesson for today. Thank you so much and have a good day.